Hey everybody, Country Mouse here, and today we are going to do a very late Boxycharm. I know you've seen this Boxycharm videos, probably a million of them. Well, you haven't seen it done through me, so here we go. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 a month subscription. They also have a Boxyluxe that comes out every 3 months. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I'm having a hard time getting this open because I don't know what happened to my unboxing knife. It was like up and disappeared for forever, and I've cleaned this room several times where it's been at. I have a feeling I threw it away. Ugh, good grief. Alright. This is no fun. Definitely everybody's having a better day than I am right now. Because you know what? I'm struggling here. Ugh. But you get this bad boy every month unless you have the Boxyluxe. And then you only get this a couple times out of the, a couple times, and then the Boxyluxe, and then a couple more times you get the small one. With the Boxyluxe, I believe it's $28 more, plus your 21 and 28. And you get a lot more things. So if you're interested in something like that, look for people's videos. I believe I get a Boxyluxe, was it next month? I think it's next month. I could be wrong. Alright, so they have these little pamphlet things here that tells you exactly what's in your box, the price, in which I will also find where we can get this stuff that's on this. And I will link that down below, so this way you know where to go find it at. And this girl right here is probably going to do about four different makeup looks today, recorded for you guys. So I have videos that just keeps going up. Sorry, but the Wi-Fi has been crap. And as long as I can get them edited and put up onto YouTube and saved for a certain day, I can't do it if the Wi-Fi's down. So let's jump into this. Hopefully everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I stayed at home for Thanksgiving. My in-laws brought over a whole bunch of food the night before for us to have for Thanksgiving because I wasn't feeling the greatest. And I pretty much slept on my birthday, November 27th. So that's how I celebrated that. Alright, let's get into this bad boy. Alright, the first thing that I see is something that's going to go ahead and go into a giveaway, but this is not the giveaway for December 1st that's going to be done. This will be probably January's giveaway. Yeah? I think it's January's giveaway. I could be wrong. We'll look into it. But it's $44, and it's Cover FX glitter drops. Things like this I can't use because I have hypopigmentation. You can't see it very well right now because my skin is super duper white, but as soon as I start getting a tan, it looks like I have a dirty spot on my face with a whole bunch of white dots. Those white dots will not tan at all. They have lost all pigmentation, but we have these. Now I will open up the box, but I won't go no further than that. I guess the shade's in Nova. It's awful pretty. I just can't use something like that. That glitter just, it highlights too much of those white spots and it never looks good. So I'll go ahead and put that in a giveaway. The next thing we have in here is the Ace Beaute. It's supposedly featuring 4 shimmer shades, 4 bold matte shades. And it costs $24. See how I open this bad boy up. Looks like that. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I can see some colors here that I would use for myself. Like a lot of other people would probably use a lot of other colors, but I'd use this Jasmine. Ooh, that is soft. Wow. Soft and really powdery. And I'd use this Clove, probably. We'll see what it looks like in a swatch. I'd use cinnamon. And as I'm rubbing my fingers so you know you're getting swatches. After these swatches, and I go through the box, I will do a try on. Ooh, and the potassiol. I never say it right. I don't know why. And this Primrose over here. They are soft, like really soft. So there's the potassiol. That'd be good to put on to your eye first. Cinnamon. Like, they're really dusty here. Can we blend this out a little bit? That looks better. We have that one, which was clove. We have jasmine. For some reason that thing wants to close up on me. We're going to put that bad boy right there. That's pretty. It's light. And primrose. Okay, the primrose I probably wouldn't use. That is a little too coppery for me. I mean, seriously. They're nice colors. We'll give them a go. We gotta get that off our fingers before we get it everywhere on this white desk. But they're very soft. I'm intrigued. I can't wait to try it. Now today's going to be a long day because once I'm done filming, I can go back and finally watch everybody else's Boxycharm. It's a sad thing to do. But until I do my video and see what's in it, in my box, I don't watch anybody else's video. No hard offenses for that. It's just how I do things. Alright, we also have the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. And it retails for $21. It comes in a nice little package here. Do I have to rip it? Or will it open up? For heaven's sakes. I just can't get into anything today. Come on. Come on out. Woo. Oh, there's one more still in there. I'm over here like, woo! Wait, we're leaving one behind. Come on out. Sheesh. Alright, they have got some pretty little brushes here. Handle looks like this. Look how sparkly and cute they are. Ooh. Okay, that one might be okay. Alright, they are little brushes for your eyes. But they're not super soft, but they're not hard. This is what I'm talking about. This kind of brush I like. So these ones, we will have to give it a go as soon as I wash them. Which, heck, I still have, I think, Ipsy's brushes that I haven't washed. I'm a little behind. Alright, the next thing that's in the box is Jonteblu. It's a glittering star eyeliner. And retails for $5. Okay. What color is this? It says it's long-lasting, intense black color. Of course, it's packaged up. Today, nothing wants me to get into the packages. Anybody else have that kind of day? There we go. Unfortunately, I had to cut my fingernails this morning, except for my thumbnails. That is always the last thing I ever cut. So now I can't get into anything. Right, the lid is kind of crappy for that, but ooh, that's extremely soft. A lot of stuff in this box is soft. Okay. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the glitter in that. Normally, I don't like Jonteblu products, but this one could be a good one. And the last thing that's in the box is Lashaholics Lashes, Instaglam False Lashes. Retail price for $14.99. There's the box. That's a cute box. I like the little glitter on the side. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but there they are. Wow. Sorry, I'm filling them. That's what they look like. Today we are not going to play with those because I have too much time to take off makeup and try to reapply makeup for each video. It's not happening. But give me a second and I will start working on this face. Okay, before I get into that, I want to go ahead and swatch the next 3 colors, just in case those were colors you were actually looking for and somebody else hasn't swatched it and you haven't gotten this yet. So we're going to go in here with Myrtle, and then we'll have Rose and Poppy. They're very, very soft. I think I got all of that off there. So if these are colors that you like, there you go. That one needs swatched out a little bit better. Or should I spit on it? I hear saliva works really well for swatches. I'm kidding, guys. Don't freak out. Alright, this is what I came up with, so let's get a good look at it. What do you guys think? I think the main thing sticking out to me is that stupid eyebrow. Anybody have that problem where you can get a nice, good looking brow and then you end up with this on the other side? This side is very sparse, so it's kind of hard to fill it in where it needs to be. Alright, I'm not sure about the colors of the eyeshadow. The eyeshadows performed beautifully, but I'm just not sure the colors are for me. Now, definitely, I don't know how badly it's going to stain. I did have an eyeshadow primer down, but I was having a hard time getting Clove, Rose, and Poppy, these pinkish red colors, off my hand from swatches. That cinnamon color, it goes down here, it's like a brownish orange color. It actually goes more red than I was expecting, so there's that. Reds are really not my color, or pinks on my eyes, so I tend to try to stay away from things like that, but, you know, I was trying to keep it all in one palette. Now, that Primrose coming off with that coppery orange color, when it's like a gold, it didn't look very right on my eyes for me, because it just, I don't know, it was weird. So I went ahead with Jasmine, which is this color right here. I'm going to try it again because I'm just going through the video doing, you know, my makeup, not jumping from video to video. This is just for this video, and where I'd packed it on there kind of disappeared on me. But it goes on very, very nicely with a finger. And it's like I have a brush in my hand. I mean, that looks nice. It's got some light to it. But this one lost all that shimmer and shine. I don't know what happened. we're going to go ahead and do that little number right there. Now that looks better. I like when my eyes look like they're brighter and I don't know. I've got weird looking eyes in the first place, so anything that kind of makes it look pretty, we'll go with. But as you've seen, I kind of just showed you everything where I was putting it. I might depot a couple of these colors because they are good so far. I won't get to see a wear test on this because I have like 3 more makeup looks to do today, and it's already probably going on 4 o'clock. What was the next thing? The eyeliner. The eyeliner, if you use it for lining the top part of your, like your actual eyelid, you need to press a little bit harder to get it to go on there. But my suggestion is once you do, it's going to get messy real quick unless you are perfect at applying liner. This one I suggest you smoke it out. Now I did put it on my lower lash line. Do you see it still there? Barely hanging on. So long lasting Jonteblu's long lasting pencil does not work in the water line. It is slowly disappearing. The glitter is pretty. I'm going to have to put this in my container that's just for my eyelid. I don't know, like I said, I don't know what the wear time is on this, and I should just go ahead and see the wear time for today, but I have a couple more boxes I need to unbox. Was that it? Did I go through all the makeup? Just a little FYI, I've actually using, I think they're October's subscription box makeup that I didn't put into another video. It was a Super It Cosmetics mascara we got in one of our boxes last month, and the Gellar Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss. It has some shimmer. I tried putting another lipstick on, but I've got a lot of dryness right in this area, so it was picking it up. And I like the Superhero mascara so far. Like I said, I don't know what the wear time is. Alright, that is all I have for you guys today. What do you guys think? Does it look okay? I did have to do some extra blending up here because some of those colors were just boom, right in your face, and it's more than what I could handle. But if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to Boxycharm, I believe there's a link down below. I will try to post that at the top of the description or right below. If there's any giveaways, I put the giveaways first and then the rest of that stuff. I will link everything down below, so if you are curious about any of this and you want to go buy it, you have a link. You can just go to it. It doesn't help me in any way, but it helps you. But leave a comment, leave a like so I can get some more people to come visit me, and I will see everybody later. Bye.